May in love siya na.
Pero pinaghihirapan mo naman, di ba?
Tama. He encourages it. Kasi he encouraged, I mean,
Hindi siya seloso.
for him, no. For him, there's nothing wrong with feeling confident in your own skin, and he encourages that. Because he's open-minded, mabait na tao. So, it's not a problem with him.
Okay.
So, gumawa na yan dito sa pamilya.
Oh yeah, sa Tita Annabelle. Sabi ko kay Tita, I'll try to top your Kung ilang ka nabenta mo, mas madami dapat.
Ano sabi niya?
Try mo, Day. Try ko talaga, Tita.
Bumili na ba siya?
Oh, nag-order na siya. Nag-order siya 100.
Wow.
Nag-order din mo ko. Si ate, napa-order. Ganun naman kami. Like, kung sinong may book. Kung sino may book, order kami. Bibigay ko sa staff ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. Pag may book ako, ganun din sila. We're all kind of, we're a family. Tulungan. But, yeah, I like challenging Tita once in a while.
Gaano na kayo katagal ni Char?
I believe mag-5 this June. If I'm not just, 5 years.
Pagkinano.
He's so smart.
Diretso na ako. Hindi na ko lang.
He's so talkative.
Isa tayo yung school mo, di ba?
Yeah, he goes to school. He started going to school when he was 2.5. He loves naman school. Siyempre may time sa parang, Mama, I want to sleep. I don't want to go to school. But he likes it. Kasi he really likes talking to people, socializing, learning.
How's Richard now?
He's good.
Yun na
Well,
yan.
right now, I don't think that he would be like good. That's actually why I'm excited to go home para
Talk
mag-focus
about
kami.
it. Kailan ano yun? Ba't biglang pupunta yung
Ay,
kanina lang?
Kanina lang. Yeah, kanina ko lang na lang.
So, ano na?
I'm excited to go home.
Wali ka na.
Okay naman.
Siya din lang.
Pag may part,
Kailangan niya ng ano,
moral
support.
I mean, nasa nature ko na yung maging worried, but I shouldn't be worried.
Malalampasan naman
Kasi
niya yun.
malalampasan niya. At saka, ano ba naman yun? Si Charlie, he's gonna settle what he has to settle, and it happens to all the celebrities. And it's his issue. So,
Di pa ako kumikibis sa Tita Annabelle.
apparently, kumibok na.
Okay, speaking of your Annabelle, so how do you get along with your in-laws? Lalo na si Tita Annabelle.
Paano mo nakuha ang loob?
Second.
Paano ko na po?
Sayon.
Actually, you know what? I treat her as my second mom. Sobrang bait niya sa akin.
Hindi ka pa pinagalitan.
Minsan, nag-argue kami dalawa.
Pinakailman niya yung bangs mo.
About?
First meeting.
Pero, I know. Ganun naman siya eh. Pero I think, when we argue, alam na namin when to stop. Like, normal na sa amin na may mag-argue kami. Pero, hindi namin ipupush na towards na magkakapikunan na kami dalawa or hindi kami mag-usap ng 1 week. Like, I make my point clear, she makes her point clear, tapos, bye. And then, we move on. Kasi that's her personality eh. You have to kind of adjust to it. She's kung ano yung kailangan niya, sasabihin niya, kung ano yung kailangan niya, kukunin niya, gagawin niya. Wala na, no fuss whatsoever. Ganun siya na tao. And I've learned to kind of adjust to her character. And in reality, she's the sweetest, most caring person on earth. Aside from my mom, of course. And Char. Sobra.
Hindi niyo pinagtatalunan niyo.
Actually, sometimes, nag-aagawan sila ng mom ko. So kaya nga parang I want to make another child na para tig-isa kayo sa bahay. Kasi minsan, alam mo yun, kami ni Char yung nasa gitna and kami yung nakikipag-communicate sa kanila. So minsan ang sakit sa ulo na pinag-aagawan nila si Zion. So it's all about balancing time. I never thought na darating sa point na gano'n. Alam mo yun. Pero I guess lahat ng parents gano'n, pinagdadaanan.
Ang nanay mo naman hindi rin umuurong.
Oo, kasi mami, nagulat ako talaga nung nagka-baby ako talaga. Mas tumaba din siya, nilalabanan. Di ba nag-away din sila? But that was in the past. Ngayon, sa Europe, super saya nila. As in, nag-shopping silang dalawa. Parehos pa sila ng sapatos. Babalik sila sa hotel. Pareho sila ng top. Kami ni Chard, parang ano pa kayo? Parang weird. Ganun sila ka, ano ngayon.
Yung best of friends sila ngayon.
Nagkahulihan na.
Pero during the time na may away ang parents, ang mami mo at saka sa Annabelle, did you ever, na-affected ba kayo ng mga child?
Yeah, I was super affected. Kasi, I was affected kasi you're talking about my mom. You're talking about Chard's mom. Siyempre, you want them to get along. Importante yung relationship ko with Chard. And importante na they get along. So I was kind of affected, but thank God, Chard is more mature than I am. And he's there to tell me na, you know, it's normal, it happens. They'll get over it. So he's definitely more mature than me, and he's there to guide me when I get emotional. Yeah.
So yun pala ang effect ni Zion sa dalawa.
Before. Pero ngayon, okay na.
Nag-suggest ka na lang ng Japan boy.
Ha?
Japan boy na lang sila.
Normal naman yan.
Si Zion, simpal na niya yung HIV.
Really happy.
Hindi, dapat ko wala ko.
Eyes ni Chard, the rest sa akin.
Yung buhok sa'yo.
Yeah. Lips ko, nose, hindi ko alam. Anyway. Ngayon, ugali ni Chard. Yeah.